Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Uconnect system. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the run position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the Settings button on your Uconnect touchscreen. Then, press and hold both the volume and tune knobs at the same time for approximately 10 to 20 seconds. This action initiates the reset process for your system. After holding the knobs, your Uconnect screen should go blank for a moment. Don't worry, this is normal. It will then display the Dodge logo, signaling that the system is restarting and applying the reset. Please allow the system a few moments to fully boot up and load all its functions before you try to interact with it again. Once your Uconnect system has fully restarted, it's important to perform a few checks. Verify that all functions, such as the radio, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity, are working as expected. You may need to repair any Bluetooth devices that were previously connected to your system. This ensures everything is back to normal and operating smoothly. If the soft reset doesn't resolve your Uconnect issues, an alternative is a hard reset. To do this, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This completely drains the system's power, often fixing more persistent problems. After 15 minutes, reconnect the battery terminal and then test your Uconnect system to see if the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.